In today's video, I will teach you how to whiten teeth in Photopea. Let's get started. First, go to Photopea, then click File and select Open, then select the photo in which you want to whiten the teeth. Now we're going to select the teeth area. Use the zoom tool or simply press Z on your keyboard to zoom in on the teeth for more precise editing. Now go to the toolbar and select the lasso tool or simply press L on your keyboard. Then carefully draw around the teeth to create a selection, and try to avoid selecting the gums and the lips. Now we're going to create a new adjustment layer. With the teeth still selected, go to Layer, the New Adjustment Layer, and select Hue and Saturation. This will add a hue and saturation adjustment layer that only affects the selected area. In the Hue and Saturation panel, lower the saturation to reduce the yellow tones. But be careful to not overdo it, just enough to remove the yellowing. Then gently increase the lightness slider to brighten the teeth. This will make the teeth appear whiter. Now we're going to refine the edges. Start by going to the toolbar and select the brush tool or simply press B on your keyboard and choose a soft round brush with a low hardness. Ensure the adjustment layers mask is selected. Simply click on the white thumbnail next to the hue and saturation layer in the layers panel. Now we're going to refine the mask. Start with painting black on areas where the adjustment has spilled onto the gums or lips, which will hide the effect in those areas. If you accidentally remove the effect from the teeth, switch the brush color to white and paint over the teeth to reveal the whitening effect again. Now zoom out and review the overall effect. If needed, adjust the hue and saturation settings again or refine the mask. And once you're satisfied, go to File, then Export As, and choose your preferred file format, for example, JPEG or PNG, to save the edited image. And now you've successfully whitened teeth in your image using Photopea. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.